Oh boy, guys, this is my favorite topic. Hey, you got to check this out. So, my favorite topic. I love talking about this topic here. Man, if it was not for this strategy, if it was not for videos, where would we be right now? Where would me and my wife be? We would probably be at work. We would probably be miserable. We would probably be, in a bad financial situation. And here's the thing, guys. I don't know. I am so grateful and thankful for the individuals that have created certain types of technology that has allowed myself, my wife, and many others from around the globe to live their dreams simply because we've had the ability to create video content and share it to the world. That alone by itself is truly a blessing for me, my family, and for a lot of people that are so-called entrepreneurs. Now anybody can become successful. I mean, literally anybody can win. Anybody can become successful. It's really all based around a decision. If you decide to win, to make, decide to make a decision, you can become successful. So what I'm going to do, guys, here in this video really quick here, I'm going to talk about why you need to create videos. So I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you've done in the past. I don't know what business that you're in right now. I don't know. But I know this, that if you start creating video content and you take that serious and focus on it, it will change your life. I don't care. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. It doesn't matter what your opportunity is. Once you do that, incredible things can happen. So let's talk a little bit about that here really quick here. So why you need to create videos? Well, one, I noticed something over the past 10 years. We've been marketing on the internet, me and my wife. Top online earners have something in common. Videos. All of them. Okay. Literally all of them. They all have something in common in this social media age here. And it's videos. They create video content so people can get to know them. And what you're going to have to do in this new era of being an entrepreneur, you're just going to have to get over your fears of being on camera. When I first made my first video, I literally hated it. However, I did it anyway. Didn't want to do it, but I understood something, that I saw all the top people that were making money on the internet, and that's what me and my wife wanted to do. We didn't want to start a traditional business and, a brick and mortar type of business. We wanted to do things online. We wanted to make a substantial amount of income like we had been seeing a lot of people do, and we wanted to do it from home. So what did I do? I started making videos. I didn't want to do it. I had to bring my wife and we might do an interview and we'll kind of share that story. I didn't want to do it, but through certain things that was going on in our family, we had no choice. Because everything kept saying, you got to make videos, Steve. Steve, you got to make videos, Steve. Hey, have you made any videos yet? That's what everybody kept saying. And I didn't want to do it. And when I finally made a decision to do it, and then stay consistent with it and be focused, 90 days later, our lives changed. And we've never been the same since. It's just amazing. So you're going to have to just get over your fears. Okay. Stop comparing yourself to others. I know you might look at my videos. You might look at other people's videos on YouTube, people who you follow, people who you look up to, and people who I look up to. I'm like, man, that's an amazing video, but I don't compare myself to them because they've been through their journey. They went through their learning curve. You probably hadn't seen their first videos. I know you probably hadn't seen my first video. But if you've seen some of my first videos compared to some of the things that we do today, it's like night and day. But again, you got to stop comparing yourself, because of what that does, it breeds, procrastination. It breeds, I'm not going to do anything. And when it breeds just trying to figure other ways to do what you're trying to do, and it's just not working. It's not going to get you there faster. Hey, I'm telling you guys, if you have a goal and you're trying to get there as fast as you can, well, I'm not saying get rich quick. I'm just saying whatever your goal is, if you want to get there faster, videos will help you to get there faster. But it's all going to depend on how consistent you do it. Okay. And how it's so many different variables, but you got to start. You can't be great until you start. And stop comparing yourself to other people. You just got to start where you're at. Everybody who you follow, who you're comparing to, hey, guess what? One day they had to start. And you're not thinking about that. You're just looking at the end result of them going through their journey. Guess what? You're going to have to go through your journey as well. So stop comparing yourself and just go to work. Now, you can start with your phone. You don't need a big fancy camera, okay? All you need is your phone. Start with your Android, iPhone, iPad, webcam. Just make sure the videos that you're shooting are in high definition, okay? Don't shoot any videos in standard definition where it's all blurry. No, make sure it's in high definition, because that's what we're used to now. We're not going to watch a standard definition video. We might watch one that's like a viral video, but we're not going to watch a video of you trying to give value and it's all blurry. So make sure it's high definition and make sure people can hear you clearly. Microphone, or don't be outside and it's all windy and they hear all that. No, people are going to get off your video. So just make sure people can see you clearly and hear you clearly. That's a really good video. Okay. It's all you need right now. Just start with your phone. Just hit record. You just got to hit record. Okay. That's all you got to do. As my friend Sean Kennel says, you just got to hit record. Okay. And when you hit record, hey, that's where it all starts. Okay. Now, let's just start with your phone. Okay. You can start with testimonial videos. So if you're in a business, you can start creating testimonial videos while you join your business. If you had a success, if you had a failure, even if you learned something new about your business, something new about your products or service, just give testimonial videos. Okay. Tell stories. Remember, tell stories about, your experiences. You can do training videos. A lot of people that start a business, a lot of times they don't really know where to begin. A lot of times they don't know where to find certain things in the back office. A lot of times they don't understand certain things. A lot of times they don't know how to market. Whatever you might know, don't take that for granted. There's a lot of other people that don't know that. So create value for people by creating training videos so they can follow you. They'll thank you in following you because they're getting value from you. So again, that's how you want to look at that. And then of course, presentation videos. Oh my God. Where do I begin with this? Presentation videos. Presentation videos, guys, will pay you a lot of money. Just saying. I didn't say you have to be good at it. You'll get good if you do a lot of them. Okay. I remember, I do presentations my way. I just be myself. But in the beginning, I wasn't that comfortable. Years ago, I wasn't that comfortable with presenting in front of people or even on a video camera. But how did you get good at it? I just did it. And I sucked at it in the beginning. Then I just did it again. And then I just kept doing it. And I just kept doing it. And the more I kept doing it, the better I became at it. Presentation videos will pay you a lot of money. If you're presenting, remember, videos put you as the authority. People love joining authority figures. People love joining experts, people who seem to know what they're talking about. Okay. That's what it's all about. Presentation videos are automatically putting you in the expert seat, if that makes sense. And again, that's why people that present a lot online tend to make the most money, right? So presenters always get the biggest check. So learn your compensation plan, learn your business and share it, right? There's all kinds of ways you can share, videos. You don't even have to have a Zoom. You can share stuff on Facebook, YouTube. You can go live, right? Present what you have to offer through Zooms, live videos. I just talked about that. So all these work, and there's even more, but all these can actually work and help you to get to your goal. This is why you need to create videos. It just gets you there faster. Okay. because it creates no like and trust. So if you're going to do this, why not do the best strategy? I've been saying this for years, especially once I understood the power of it. If you're going to join some business or start a business or whatever, spend money, time, effort, all that stuff, why not use the best strategy that you can get the returns or ROI on the dollars and time that you spent? Duh, that's business 101. If I'm in business to make money, I need to do the best strategy to make me the most money the fastest. That's what corporations do. That's what companies do. That's what traditional business does. You're a business, aren't you? How come you're not doing it? Right? You've got to create branded videos of you talking about what you're offering. Remember, especially in network marketing, people are buying into you, right? They're buying into you than whatever your product is. If they don't like you, if they don't know, like, and trust you, they don't, no, that person's not going to buy from you. I don't buy from people that I don't know, like, and trust. If I don't know you, then I don't like you. And if I don't trust you, I'm not going to buy from you. I don't care what you have. I don't care how good your product is. I don't care how good the compensation plan is. I don't care. I don't know, like it. I don't know you. I don't like you, and I don't trust you. I'm not going to give you my money. So how do you get know, like, and trust? You get know, like, and trust by creating content where people keep seeing you over and over and over again. And like, hey, this person is always giving some really good content, some really good information. That's how you win people over online, by creating content. Okay. And again, it's the best strategy. If you're gonna be in business, it makes sense to do the best strategy to get. I mean, that's just business. That's business 101. And if you don't think so, maybe you're in the wrong business. I'm just saying, maybe you're in the wrong business. Okay. These are some things that can definitely help you. And there's other ways that you can do it. You know, build your business online. If you have a lot of money, if you got a lot of money already, there's some things that you can do where you don't have to do this route. But most of us don't have a lot of money initially. So we need to go a route that can still be very lucrative and cost effective. And that's creating content, because it's free to upload a video to Facebook. It's free to upload a video to YouTube. It's free. It doesn't cost anything other than the time to make the video and then upload it, right? But it doesn't cost financially. It doesn't cost anything. Make sense? So you got to look at it like that. So videos just get you there faster, guys. You know, remember, people join people, not businesses. So if you focus on what people want, people join people. So if you're in network marketing and hey, you're trying to build your business online, remember, people join people. Okay, not businesses. Some people, it's so funny. People say, well, hey, I just been using a company, presentation. The company has a video presentation. I just been sharing that, but nobody's buying. Yeah, because it's not you. That's just a company. Remember, especially in network marketing, people want to buy from the person who they want to be in business with. And if in affiliate marketing, it could be a little bit different, because if in affiliate marketing, there are a lot of times with your marketing and affiliate marketing are already known brands. Okay, Nike, McDonald's, Walmart. Makes sense? We know, like, and trust those brands. But if you're marketing some company that you just joined and nobody's never heard of it before, they don't care how good the product or compensation plan is. They'll want to know more if you're delivering the information. Make sense? If they're hearing your opinion, that'll open the door for them to want to know more about what you're doing. Make sense? That's why this is all, so effective. So remember, people join people, not businesses, and it automates your business. I guarantee you right now, as I'm making this video, because right now you're watching it on YouTube right now or Facebook or whatever, but I had to make this video. But right now, as I'm making this video, some people are watching other videos that I've made in the past about whatever, and some of them are going to purchase whatever that video is about, whatever I may be sharing in that video, or maybe in the YouTube description below. Make sense? So it just automates my business. So when I'm not working that business or whatever, guess what? My video is working for me. and that video never gets hungry, it never goes to sleep, and it always delivers the exact same message over and over and over again. Okay. It's amazing. It's truly amazing. Remember in the beginning of this video, I'm just so grateful for the people that created this technology. So automate your business. And again, create videos, guys. I'm telling you, that's where it's at. You have to create videos. And when you create videos, I'm telling you, it will change your life. Creating videos changed our lives. And it just amazes me. I'm just thinking, I'm just like, and I just had a moment there for a second because I just remember how things were and what has changed and the experiences and the places and the things we've done over the last decade, all because of online videos. Wow. It's just crazy. So if you've been thinking, how am I going to be able to make it? How am I going to be able to really get over the hump? It's going to be through videos. I'm just telling you. That's especially if you're marketing online. So, hey guys, hope you got some value from this. I've got some other information right below in the YouTube description. Definitely check out that information, some other tips, some resources that can help you to win in business. And if you like this video, guys, if you got some value from it, do me a favor, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and like it and also smash that subscribe button, guys, because, hey, I've got some more exciting videos that you do not want to miss. So you want to make sure that you get a notification, smash that subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified when I upload some more videos. And I got a lot more coming. So, hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm glad you were here and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Peace out.